Hey everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to render PDFs with custom paper size using the IronPDF library in a C# application. First, ensure you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily install it via NuGet Package Manager. Now, we open the program.cs file. Start by importing the IronPDF namespace and set the license key for IronPDF. Instantiate the ChromePdfRenderer, which will be used to render the HTML content into a PDF. Configure the render to use a custom paper size by setting the dimensions in centimeters. For example, set the paper size to 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Render the HTML string to a PDF document using the renderHTML as PDF method. Prepare an HTML string to be rendered. For example, include a simple HTML heading like H1 custom paper size H1. Now we save the generated PDF document to a file path using the Save As method. Let's name it custompapersize.pdf. And let's run the application to see the PDF generated with the custom paper size. The PDF generated reflects the dimensions specified in the render settings. So by following these steps, you can effectively render PDFs with custom paper sizes using IronPDF in your .NET applications. Explore more advanced functionalities of IronPDF for versatile document generation tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. To get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. You can click in the link below in the description and you can try for yourself.